I wish you the best. I sat on my father's grave. I smoked a cigarette, putting thoughts of you like him to rest, and I wait like an actor with scripted lines, absorbed in his own design.
I'm going to be making a pasta for lunch. Pasta sauce and pasta noodles, some mushrooms and more mushrooms and 연어? 연어를 넣을까? Maybe some cheese? We'll see how this goes.
I learned from the test when the wine was flowing free and your demons fell asleep. I know we're all giving our best, so it seems that I can't seem to draw the line. Too busy claiming what is mine.
Hi everybody, it's officially after work. It's almost 7:10 p.m.-ish and I'm about to make some hot chocos to reward myself for ending work. If you have seen some footages up until now, I did have a pretty rough day at work. Didn't really have a specific reason why I was feeling like that. I think just in general, I was just having a down. So I went out for a walk by myself and it really was so refreshing to listen to a fall walk playlist and just live through the winds. It was so windy outside, but sadly enough, after the cold wind phase, my camera broke. I mean, I knew it was coming, but I didn't know it would be today. So I can't really use the camera anymore. A lot of events, a lot of emotional ups and downs today, so I wanted to reward myself, and I think my sister's gonna drink it too, so I'm gonna ask her if she wants it.
I found somebody. I say you don't cross my mind.
네, 이 정도? 그래.
And she doesn't know that your favorite place is still mine.
이거 얼마나 하라고 했더라?
Now I take the long way
너무
home.
달라.
Avoid what I can't
이제 나보다
let
좀
go.
더 할까? If this isn't self-care, I don't know what is. Let's go.
Always think about you, but sometimes I do, 'cause sometimes I drive through all of the streets.
I just washed my face and I'm about to end the day reading this book. It's called Minor Feelings and it's about Asian Americans' racial identity and of the author's upbringing It's about 11 p.m. right now. I've been sleeping a lot earlier in here than before coming here, and so it's been really positive for just my mental health and my physical health as well. And I hope ending the day reading a book could make me even sleep earlier than usual, so I'm very excited for that as well.
I guess the truth is I can't leave memories behind. She asks about you, I hesitate every time. Every time. I don't always think about you, but sometimes I do, 'cause sometimes I drive through all of the streets.
The weather's really nice with my hair.
'Cause sometimes I don't even know where I'm going at first. Turns out I had to unlearn back to the
왜 사람
surface, the
너무 세?
feeling of all that we were.
이제 타임 데려다
I
주자.
always think about you till first avenue.
아, 대박스. 타니야, 못 잡았지? 타니 날라갔어, 진짜. 아, 귀여워. 타니 좋아? 안 좋아. 지금 걷거든. 근데 바람이 너무 많이 불어.
Always think about you.
내려줄까?
Sometimes I
이제 괜찮아, 이제 괜찮아.
Sometimes I drive all of the streets we used to on First Avenue. Sometimes I don't even know where I'm going at first. It turns out I had to unlearn back to the surface, the feeling of all that we were. I always think about you till First Avenue. That's when I do. Crowd across the way, flat was on your face, and then from the 80s. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel farther away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you. Oh, across the road. Across the road. Lost and in a daze, I caught your sudden gaze, and time it started racing. But moments tend to fade, and you're too far away from me to get my name in. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel further